In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Excel you have. This is useful if you need to confirm whether you're using Microsoft 365, Office 2021, or Office 2019, especially when following tutorials, troubleshooting issues, or checking whether certain features should be available in your copy of Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, look toward the top left area of the window and click the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can access account details, settings, and product information for your Office apps. From the menu on the left, select Account. In some versions of Excel, this may appear as Office Account instead. So don't worry if the wording is slightly different. Both options lead you to the same general area where Microsoft displays details about your installation. Once you're on the account page, look for the product information section. This is where you'll see the addition of Excel or Office that you're using. For example, it may say Microsoft 365, Office 2021, or Office 2019. This tells you the product type tied to your installation, which is helpful because different editions may offer different update behavior and feature availability. Next, look for the version and build numbers. These numbers give you more specific information about the exact release of Excel installed on your device. If you're comparing your setup with documentation from Microsoft support or checking compatibility for a workbook or add-in, these details can be especially important. For even more detailed version information, click About Excel. A small window will appear with additional technical details about your Excel installation. This is often the best place to look if you need the full version information for support purposes, or if someone has asked you to verify exactly which release you're running. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that if you're using Microsoft 365, Excel receives regular feature updates along with security improvements. If you're using a perpetual version, such as Office 2021 or Office 2019, you'll still receive security updates, but you generally won't get new features added after that version was released. And that's it. By going to File, then Account or Office Account, checking product information, reviewing the version and build numbers, and opening About Excel, you can quickly confirm exactly which version of Microsoft Excel you have.